Hi everyone, my name is Ronak and today we are focusing on how to extract an object from any free asset store and apply shading and lighting. For this, you open the Unity Hub and create new project. I already created the project experiment 2. Now let's open the experiment 2 project. So here you can see there are many types of elements and plane. So how you import the assets into the Unity? For this, you go to the window button and click the asset store, and here you click the search online. It takes some time. So yes, this is open. So here we can use any type of object. I am type car free and select this, and here you can also see select the price, like I am selecting the free asset. So I am selecting this and click the open in Unity. Say it takes some time. Okay, so our Unity open is open now. Editor, it takes some time. So you can see download option. If you click download, after that you can import the asset into the Unity. After importing asset, you move in the scene environment. So for this, I'm importing ARC embed folder. In this you can see there are many types of material measures. So if you select this and drag onto the plane, so you can see how car is come on the plane. And for coloring this car, you can go to the project. For coloring, you name the project folder, and here it is in the plus button. Click on it, and here you can select the material. So this new material, this come select on this new material, and here you can select any type of color. Now I am selecting the green color. You can also select which color you love and which color you like. So you can see how the change of color is. So I am taking the color, and if you can see how the car is moving in color. So following this process you are able to create this type of environment. So we complete the asset store part. Now we are moving into the lighting portion. For lighting, you can go to again the window option, and here you can see package manager. Click on it, and here you can see package manager. So in this you can select the Unity register, and here you type post processing, and I am already downloaded the post processing. First you download it and move to the scene environment. For lighting, first you can create the empty object. Okay, create empty, and then here is the object. It is visible on your screen. I created the game object, and in this layer select the water layer and add some basic components. Here you can see on our screen. Select any type of component. So I'm selecting the volume. So in this volume, select this global, and here you can see select any type of game object. I'm selecting a AFRC. Select it, and here this is done. And after that you can see the main camera, and here we can also add the post processing. So after it you can see I am already selected the post processing layer, and selecting all this type of feature you can follow step by step process. After this you can see here is one AFRC post processing object is coming. For helping this we can adjust the lighting, and also we can change the environment. So environment, for this I am downloaded the skybox in this, and I apply not it. You have the two folder day and night. If you click on the night, so dragging in it, so you can see how the environment is changed to night. And I'm selecting the day, and the environment is changed to a day. Here you also following the process, you can able to change the environment. After the lighting we are moving into the shading part. For shading part first you select the three dots, the plane, and here three dots and there are, so click on it and select the debug. After that, here there are many types of option, cast shadow on this option and receive shadow. This is very important for shading part, that I am showing you how it's important for this. Some wait for some time. So this is the main part of our project, we can say that. And you can see I zooming my screen. This is visible on your screen also. There is no shading of any type of element. If I am clicking on receiving shadow, you can see how the shadow is coming. So for using this, you can able to complete the shadow of any type of object. So you guys, in this tutorial we can learn about how to extract any object from any free asset and store, liking and applying, shading and lighting and elements. Thank you for watching me. We will meet again. Thank you so much.